Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, we're being asked if we can increase the number of significant figures by switching from the balance or the electronic balance, switching from the quad beam to the top load electronic balance. And so this is a question about the equipment itself, right? If you look at any quad beam balance, which if you're not sure what that is, that's the ones that look like sort of almost like a big sewing machine sort of thing. Then I'll have these little pieces that you can move, right? And it balances left and right, and there you read the weight from the lines on here. This is your quad beam. And the important thing is that a quad beam will tell you either on it how many sig figs it has, or if you can see the possible readings, that is, you've been given a picture and you can see the markings on it, then you know that the final sig fig is one more than the sig fig that is shown. What do I mean by that? I mean, if the final marking on your balance is for, let's say, milligrams, right? So if you look at the balance and on its little right, we're zooming in on it. And if these markings are in milligrams, then the sig fig that you can get out is 0.1 milligram, right? Because we would be estimating the final digit that's between the markings. Okay. Now, on your electronic balance, the way you ascertain the lowest digit of sig fig is either, again, it may read it out. It may have like a little note on it, like plus or minus 0.01 milligrams or something like that. Or if it doesn't tell you what the final sig fig is, when you take a reading and it says 3.7912, then your sig fig is just the last digit shown, right? So all you would need to do to determine if you can increase the number of justifiable sig figs by using one or the other is to determine what sig fig the quad beam balance reads to and what sig fig the top loading electronic balance reads to. Right, so if you've been shown, say, a picture that looks like this, or a picture that looks like this, right, then determine, like, if this is in grams, then this is 0.01 grams sig figs. And if this is in milligrams, and you convert that to grams, this is 0.0001 grams sig figs, right? And then compare and contrast. And in the example I drew here, the quad beam would be better. So the answer would be no.